Yes, maka-withdraw na dyan ko 42k. Ay, 4 pesos lang pala. Let's try to withdraw. Redeem pala, redeem. Kaloy sa tong cellphone ay. Redeem 3 pesos. Uy, ayan. Then mag-send, nag-check, confirm, withdraw, back. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much. Ayun, na-receive na. Tingnan natin kung pila na nabilin. Ayun, 1 peso. Thank you TikTok. Naka-withdraw na po kong 3 pesos. Ano lang, tanaw-tanaw lang. Thank you.